From the tiny foothold taken on the beaches of Normandy in June of 1944, Allied forces have established an ironclad front across a once occupied Europe. They drove deep into enemy territory, scoring victory after victory while freeing millions of people from the clutches of tyranny. But success has not come at an easy price. Our forces moved with shocking speed, stretching supply lines thin while exhaustion set in amongst the troops. Now, with the onset of winter, Allied command has been forced to call a halt while supply and manpower situations are worked out. To alleviate pressure elsewhere, the rugged, forested Ardennes region in eastern Belgium offers a sleepy front, able to be held by new recruits and battle-weary troops as they find some rest before the assault on the German homeland begins.
Day Wonders, listen up. We're going to be taking over sentry duty from the airborne over at Checkpoint 5. Now, seeing as how there ain't nothing there, we're going to build some stuff. Lucky for y'all, we got rear echelon squads available to pitch in.
Knock it off. Listen up and out. Let's go.
They got it all figured out when it comes to building defenses, so they'll help with the checkpoint.
Rear echelon squad ready for action. Rear echelon troops on the front line.
Well, yeah, look who we have here. Welcome to the shindig. I hope you got nowhere else to be. Fall in. All right, let's move out, boys.
Just remember,
Shake a leg. Let's go. Come on, fellas. Let's go.
Hop to it, boys. You know that son of a gun Jackson will never stop with the wisecracking if we're late.
Ah, nuts. We got orders coming. All right, we're moving. Let's go.
Captain Derby. Glad you could finally make it.
Yeah, well, this war ain't no hurry to end. Figured we had plenty of time to mosey on over.
Well, shit. We wouldn't want you boys pulling a muscle hurrying on our account. I'm gonna get the men back to Rockerat for hot meals and showers. They could sure use it.
let's move out of here.
All right, this checkpoint's got to be flushed out. Getting a bit crowded around here.
What's up, fellas?
If we're gonna sit out the winter here, we need some more cover. Let's start by building a fighting position over there, between the two trenches.
Ah, nuts. We can move it out. Let's go.
I got orders coming.
Make sure you get cover while
Killing and jump to it, boys. Listen up. Here's the deal. War machine. Where's all that money going? You ever think of that? Shake it up. Let's get it done. All right. Here's the thing.
Good. Get a 50 cal in there to cover that area.
Place the position here.
Reinforce that fighting position with some firepower.
All right, let's build some tank traps on the road next to the checkpoint here.
Listen up, fellas. Fighting position is ready. Hurry up.
Reinforce that fighting position with some firepower. Our
fighting position now has some ordnance behind it.
Shake a leg. Let's go. Take up fighting positions.
Fighting position machine gun is in place.
Gather round. Smell orders.
Incoming! Find cover! Use the bunkers! We need a lookout in the watchtower!
Checkpoint Fox, contact report. Enemy artillery fire.
Roger, Fox. Hold and advise as needed.
On me.
There's movement in the tree line! Fritz is on us!
Ready. Let's get a move on.
Steady up, fellas. I got orders coming. Knock it off. Listen up.
Rifle squad, ready for action. Enemies are swarming one of our emplacements. Okay, go! Get to the wounded!
We need artillery support over here now, goddammit! That'll keep the enemies ahead pinned down. Focus your fire on any guys coming from the flanks.
Someone get us out here!
They're flanking to the right!
One of our...
Watch that left flank! The left flank!
The Germans just cut off our supply lines.
That did it! Orders! Hit him with flags! We got zeroed in here! Move! Get to that point! Someone get us out of here! Enemy infantry taken out! Promotion team!
The lead element!
Checkpoint Fox, contact report. Line infantry advancing from the northeast.
Roger. We're getting reports from all over the area. Germans are moving in from the east and to the north, between here and Rockerat.
What's the status on Jackson and his airborne team in Rockerat?
No contact as of yet. We'll update you as we hear news.
Get us out of here! Enemy squad! Orders! Move your ass! Go!
Hold your positions! Keep those crossroads open!
Rods are dead! Ready! Stand by! Orders! Taking fire! We're under attack! M23!
Call in some paratroopers! Maybe we can flank these bastards! There's a drop zone behind those houses!
Squad, get ready! Enemy infantry neutralized! Enemy infantry taken out!
Hit the silk, boys! Give them hell!
Here they come!
Orders coming in! Orders incoming! Ground infantry! We just got ourselves a field promotion! Contact! Contact!
Vistano reporting. We're holding on the DZ.
Shout!
Enemy positions in those houses. Clear them out.
Use grenades! Good effect on target! Road's got us! That's the last one! Enemy infantry taken out! Bust out the metal, boys! Promotion just came through!
Vistano, what was the sit rep when you came in?
And ready!
Not good. We got krauts on all sides. Village is surrounded.
Can we get across to Krinkelt?
Let's go!
No, the whole place is crawling with Germans.
All right, we need to raise other sectors. Confirm what the hell's going on here. Bastano, our radio's gonna need a boost. Get over to the tower in the forest. We can tie into it.
All right. Okay, move it along.
All right, boys! Fuck them up! Paratroopers in the air!
Moving out. Let's go.
Roger. On your feet.
Okay, move it along.
Warning orders, gang.
Serial down. Paratroopers ready.
Moving out. Let's go.
Fall in, troops. Here we go. Make sure you're squared away.
All right, you dopes, listen up. Okay, move it along.
Steady up, man.
Okay, pack it up.
Moving out. Let's go.
Enemy rifleman!
Got a depot refueled and looking to strafe something. Troopers ready, waiting on an LZ target.
Keep move! Get it going!
Okay, ready yourself. Lock it down. Hurry.
That's infantry! All dead! Listen up! Go! Get moving! Field promotion!
Enemy infantry neutralized.
Set up the monitors!
Yeah. On your feet, ladies. Tear it apart. We gotta move.
System up and active.
Pack it up, ladies. We're moving out. We're jumping off. Let's go. Steady up, men. Round them up.
This ain't a combat patrol, so no tangling with Jerry. Keep moving.
Use the bullet splash method to point out the direction of the shot. I'll tell you. When I get home, I'm gonna quit.
I got the gun. Grab the tripod. You know what to do, gang.
Goes.
We're on the move into enemy lines. Stay.
Okay, move it along.
Gun crew just got wiped out.
Over here! Order! Get moving! Promotion's in! Stand by! Orders! Listen up! Listen up!
We just lost a unit.
You bastards! Change of plans! Enemy rifles! Get your 30 up to the line! Kick us up a notch! Get it going! Move! Paratroopers, in action!
Airborne troops are dropping in.
Jump complete.
Change of plans! Switch it away! Contact! Loaded us! About fucking time! Let's run down! Oh, that defensive and do! Stand by! Infantry! Suppressive fire! Order! Move your ass! Get up!
Airborne on the ground.
Oh, keep up the forestry!
First load of H-4s on the wings. Just waiting on your word.
That did it! Ground! Envelop and hold! Listen, envelop and hold! Get on!
Drop complete.
Oh, get ready to move out. All right. Let's go.
Got some airborne fixing for a fight. Tell them where to drop.
Set up the monitors here. Hurry it up.
Snap to it, gang.
That does it.
Monitors are up. System active.
Jackson to CP. Jackson to CP. Sitrep. Do you read me? Edwards reporting. Good to hear your boys are still kicking out there. Go ahead, Jackson. We're surrounded here. We're holding on to the village center, and we've managed to capture the radio tower. But there's Germans everywhere. Roger. Hold your position until advised further. Over. The entire infantry regiment is mobilizing. Hold your position. We're going to try and establish a corridor from Krinkel to Rockerat so you can fall back. Stand by for updates. Out.
Listen up. We don't know how long this is gonna take, so I want a BAR weapons rack set up.
Knock it off and listen up.
Weapon rack unlock.
Once that thing is up, I want infantry to gun up.
Weapon rack is now...
Get your boys over there and grab some Brownings.
Help yourselves. Get that LMG up front and center.
All right, Baker, get ready to move out. We need to break through enemy forces to reach the airborne boys in Rockerat.
Jackson, this is Edwards. Get your men to the edge of the village. We're gonna try and form an evac corridor.
Roger. Moving now.
Got orders coming.
Armor ready. Get your heads in.
Knock it off.
That's a Derby, my boss. We got sidelines into the attack area. Dog Company can support your advance from here.
Under fire! Keep down!
Okay, move it along.
Ready. Go ahead. Get us the fuck out of here!
Men, use combined arms tactics. Good work, men. Combined arms tactics can give both infantry and armor a boost.
God damn it! They're cooked!
Set. Over.
Fucking hell! The Kraut's got Panzer IVs here!
Move! God damn it! Get that portal! Get us out of here! Put that in!
Damn it! Ah! A medium tank was just lost. Engage that armor!
Orders! Move! God damn
They're
it!
moving on the flank!
Fall back!
Down! Get up! Light vehicle just got destroyed. They're on the flank! Give it all she's got! Go! 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 Light vehicle just got destroyed.
Stand ready! Move your ass! Go! Gather round. I smell orders. Steady up. Moving out. Let's go. Reinforcements in. Welcome to the death factory. Grab that bazooka and some rounds. Stick with me and you might just make it. To the back of the line. I don't want no backblast blinding us.
Cav's coming. M3 loaded up and on its way.
What the hell am I meant to do with these crews? Move it out. Let's go. Rest of you, let's get moving. Form up. Get that LMG into the center. I don't want to lose you right off the bat.
Boys, secure the ammo so we can get out of here.
Nailed it! He's got us pegged! Promotion!
Rip, move us out!
Move your ass! Go!
Boys, you ready to roll out? Gear up and move us.
Damn good to see you boys.
Everything's going to shit over here. Krauts are moving in from the north and east.
I say we give you cover, and let's get the men out of Rock-A-Rat.
Armored support
Agreed.
deploy.
Okay, listen up. Airborne is gonna fall back along the road back to the HQ. Provide supporting fire along the way as they move.
Stewart's en route.
Bastano, you take the first group and guide them back to the base. I'll bring up the second group once you've pushed off.
Yes, sir. First group, on me!
Promotion just came through! Infantry taken out! Stand ready!
You're starting to get under my skin.
Jump in! Floor it!
This way! Come on!
Squad, get ready! Get over there! Enemy infantry taken out!
Enemy infantry! Good effect on target!
Nail those bastards!
Whoa, good fucking hit!
Second group, get ready.
Keep that area covered and cleared.
Go, go, go!
G into the center. I don't want to lose it right off the bat.
Ready. Send orders.
Reinforcements.
Let's get a move on.
Get that stovepipe to the back of the line. I don't want no backlash blinding.
Enemy infantry!
Okay, that's all of us. I'm covering the rear.
All right, get that infantry back here, but keep that corridor open.
Tank ready. Focus on that armor.
Ambush! Keep moving! Keep moving!
Ready. Fire! Get
Jackson!
light
Keep moving!
infantry. Deal with the enemy. Go! For it! Fire main gun. We're cooking! Light vehicle just got destroyed. Armor ready. Target to your right. Engage. Ready. Set.
All remaining units reporting in.
Tank ready.
Where the hell is Jackson?
Derby, any sign of Jackson out there?
Crouch.
We lost sight of them falling back. Germans are everywhere back there.
Germans are pouring in more troops. What's the plan?
Fall back. Ain't no more use wasting lives here. We'll link up with whoever's left and figure out what in the hell just hit us. Coordinated defense.
Hit him with crossfire!
That's it! The battle is ours!
On the 16th of December 1944, a massive artillery barrage caught Allied forces off guard, signaling the start of an unexpected German counteroffensive in the quiet Ardennes forests. Their intention? Split the Allied lines in half and ultimately claim the valuable harbor at Antwerp. Their timing is impeccable. With the cold winds of winter blowing in, our superior air forces have been grounded, and the Germans are taking full advantage of the situation. 2 full panzer divisions hit the weakly defended Lausanne Gap along a 45-mile front, driving deep into Belgium and Luxembourg. Within 24 hours of the Germans unleashing their desperate offensive, the initiative in the battle for Europe completely changed hands. The 5th Panzer Division attacked Bastogne and St. Vite, aiming to capture these strategic road junctions and secure their hold on the region. U.S. forces now scramble to stem the tide of Germans pouring into Allied territory. Though our lines may have bent, our men will not break. The German offensive will be turned back.